Friends, in the previous video, I told about the trigonometrical ratios of some standard angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. I have explained also these things in the table. What are the angles? I told in the tabular form. So with the help of that table, we have to do here some problems. You have to remember that values from 0 degree to 90 degree. So from exercise 2, I have taken two questions 13a and 13e. See the first one, if theta is 30 degree, prove that 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. Firstly, we will take left hand side, put the value of theta and find its value. Then take right side, again put theta 30 degree and find the value. If left side value, right side value both are coming equal, then it is proved, it is verified. So see the 13th first part. Take left hand side. Or directly you can write theta 30 degree on both the sides. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta is 30 degree, put here 30 degree, minus 3 cos theta, theta is 30 degree, write 30 degree. 4. What is the value of cos 30? If we see the table, then we find that value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole cube. Cube is there, so write cube. Minus 3, again cos 30, root 3 by 2. So 4 root 3 whole cube, it will be 3 root 3. And 2 whole cube, 8. Minus 3 root 3 by 2. 4 2 ja 8. So 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2. It will come 0. So value of left part is 0. Now take right hand side. Right hand side is cos 3 theta. Again put theta is 30 degree. So cos 3 into 30 means cos 90 degree. And value of cos 90 from the table, it is 0. So left side value, right side value both are coming equal. Hence it is proved. So write LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So value of theta is given. Put the value of theta in left side and right side. Find both sides values. If they are coming equal, then it is proved. Question number 13e part. Again it is given angle A is 60 degree, angle B is 30 degree. We have to prove this result. In the same way, we will take left hand side, right hand side, put the values of A and B and find. So LHS is tan A minus B. So tan, what is the value of A? 60, B is 30. 60 minus 30. 60 minus 30 is 30 degree. And value of tan 30 degree, we can see from the table, it is 1 by root 3. So left side value is 1 by root 3. Now we will find right side. RHS tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So we will put A is 60 degree, tan 60 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 60 into tan 30. A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree. Write the value. Tan 60 value is root 3. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. 1 plus tan 60 root 3. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. So we can cancel this root 3, root 3. Now RHS, take LCM here, root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 1 upon root 3, 3 minus 1 upon root 3, whole upon 1 plus 1, 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3 upon 2, 2 cancel with 2. So right side value is also 1 by root 3. Left side value 1 by root 3, right side is also 1 by root 3. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, proved. So in this way we can verify. Value of some angles is given. Then firstly we will find the left side values and right side values. If both sides are coming equal, it is verified. Let us see some more questions from your exercise. Question number 14 and 15. Question number 14, one part is given, root 2 sine 3 theta is equal to 1. We have to find theta. And range of theta is from 0 to 90. Value of theta lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, means acute angle we have to find. And equation is this, root 2 sine 3 theta is equal to 1. With the help of this equation, we have to evaluate theta. So how we will do it? Firstly find sine 3 theta. What will be sine 3 theta? It will be 1 by root 2. Root 2 sine 3 theta is equal to 1. So sine 3 theta will be, we will divide by root 2, 1 by root 2. Sine 3 theta. Left side trigonometrical ratio is sine. So we have to write right side also in terms of sine. So see the table, for what angle in sine value is 1 by root 2. Left side trigonometrical ratio is given sine. So we have to make right side also, we have to write right side also in terms of sine. So for what angle of sine value is 1 by root 2. So we know that sine 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. Next step, we will compare on both the sides. We will not cancel sine. We will compare both sides. So we will get 3 theta is equal to 45 degree. So 3 theta 45. So what will be theta? 45 by 3. 15 times. So theta is equal to 15 degree. And this 15 degree lies in this interval 0 to 90 degree. So answer is theta is 15 degree. See question number 15, D part. 2 sine theta minus 1 sine theta minus 2. Product of these two bracket is 0. We have to find theta, and value of theta is between 0 to 90. So here product of two bracket is 0. We will apply here 0 product rule. Either this bracket 0 or this bracket 0. So we can write either 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0 or sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. If product of two bracket is 0, we will equate each bracket equal to 0. So 2 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0 or sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So it will be 2 sine theta transpose minus 1. 1. What will be sine theta? 1 by 2. Or sine theta is equal to transpose minus 2. It will be 2. So here sine theta is 1 by 2. Left side trigonometrical ratio is sine. We will write right side also in terms of sine. So see, for what angle in sine value is 1 by 2. So we find that sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. So sine theta is equal to sine 30. On comparing, we will write theta is equal to 30 degree. We will not cancel sine from both the sides. Only we have to compare. On comparing, we can write theta 30 degree. And here sine theta is equal to 2. Not possible. Not possible. Because value of sine theta cannot be greater than 1. We know that value of sine theta cannot be greater than 1. Greater than 1. Theta is from 0 to 90, and in the table we know that from 0 to 90 degree sin 90 value is 1, but here it is coming sin theta is equal to 2. So value of sin theta cannot be greater than 1. Actually range of sin theta is from -1 to 1. Minimum value is -1, maximum value is 1. It cannot be greater than 1, it cannot be less than -1. That's why we will not get any solution from this equation. So only one solution, theta is equal to 30 degree. This is answer. So if trigonometric equation is given, we can find the value of the angle. So I have taken two examples here, question number 14 and question number 15. We will see some more questions. See question number 18, first part. If sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to cos a plus b, we have to find the angle a and b, where a and b both are acute angle. Acute angle means between 0 to 90, 0 and 90. So trigonometric equation is given. We have to find the angles a and b. So see the solution. It is given that sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. Sin a minus b is equal to 1 by 2, and cos a plus b is also 1 by 2. And cos a plus b is also 1 by 2. Sin a minus b is equal to, left side trigonometric ratio is given sin, right side also we will write in terms of sin. So see the angles for which value of sin is 1 by 2. We know that sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Now we will compare on both sides. We will write a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Make it equation number 1. Similarly, we will make another equation from the second equation. So cos a plus b, left side trigonometrical ratio is cos. We have to right side also in terms of cos. So see the table, for what angle in cos value is 1 by 2. So we will find cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. On comparing, we can write a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Make it equation number 2. So with the help of these two equations, simultaneous linear equation, we can solve for a and b. So add equation first and second. A minus b is equal to 30, first equation. A plus b is equal to 60 degree, second equation. When we will add, minus b plus b cancelled, a plus a, 2a, 60 plus 30, 90. So angle A 90 by 2 means 45 degree. Now we put this value of a in equation number 2 to find b. So put a is equal to 45 degree in equation 2. So 45 plus b is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. It will come 15 degree. So angle B is 15 degree, angle A is 45 degree. Both are acute angles. So in this way, making two equations, we can solve for both A and B. I will take one more question, last question from this exercise, and remaining question you will do yourself. Any doubt you can ask. So let us see the last question. See question number 20. In the given figure, we have to find the value of CD. This angle D 30 degree, angle C 45, angle B 90 degree right angle. AB side is 6 centimeter. We have to find the side CD. So let us suppose size CD be X and BC be Y. Let us suppose CD be X and BC be Y. So firstly take right angle triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC, 45, this is perpendicular, this one is base. We have to find base, so we will take tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is perpendicular AB and base is BC. Tan 45 degree value is 1. AB is given 6, BC is Y, cross multiply. Y is equal to 6 centimeter. So AB and BC both are equal. So in this right angle triangle ABC, we have to find base and perpendicular is given 6. So we will take tan. Trigonometrical ratio, we can take tan or cot. We cannot take sine or cos, because in sine perpendicular by hypotenuse will come. And we have, it is not required to find the hypotenuse. So we have to take tan 45. Y6. Now in triangle ABD, in right triangle ABD, 30 degree, we will take tan 30 because perpendicular is 6 and base is BD. We have to find X. Again we will take tan 30. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon BD. What is tan 30 value? Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. AB is 6. And BD is Y plus X. BD is Y plus X. Cross multiply. So X plus Y, it will be 6 root 3. Put the value of Y is 6. 6 root 3. What will be X? Transpose 6. 6 root 3 minus 6. We can take 6 common. So root 3 minus X is 6 root 3 minus 1 centimeter. And X is what? CD. So therefore we can write CD is equal to 6 in bracket root 3 minus 1 centimeter. So we will take two right angle triangle. Firstly in triangle ABC to find BC. After that take the big right angle triangle ABD to find the value of X, that is CD. So in the given figure we have to find CD. In this way we can find CD. I hope that you understand it. Remaining questions, do yourself. Any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you class.